Hi everyone. This is my music festival layout. So as you can see right here and at the bottom we have our stage and backstage area, and then tech or AV for the technical people that help set up the musicians, and then our seating, and back here to the right we have our restrooms, in the corner security, and then down here we have our medics in case anything were to happen, the volunteer communication center. Here we have our meet and greet area and VIP, it's all roped off. And then right above that is our arts and crafts area. And then right over here to the left of the stage, we have a bunch of tables set up for those who wanted to eat. And all around that is our food and beverage areas. Obviously, this one is food, beverage, and then we have our merchandise. And then for ticket sales, we have a ticket for on-site and will call, and then another security booth right here in the corner. And then all around, as you can see, we have exits and entrances. So yeah, that is my screen, and that is the music festival layout.